I'm Greg Coffey of Friedman Law Offices in Lincoln, Nebraska. Thanks for visiting our blog. Among the questions we often get asked by people who have been injured on the job is whether they need a lawyer to represent them, and that's a fair question. The answer is oftentimes yes, but not always. In my experience, people hire lawyers in workers' compensation cases for basically one of two reasons. The first reason is if the insurance company has denied all or an important part of your claim. If you filed your claim and asked them to pay for it and they say no, then you're left with the choice of either taking no for an answer or hiring a lawyer. That's an easy decision. The next one is slightly more complicated. Some people feel like they can handle dealing with claims on their own, and other people do not. If you haven't been through this process before, haven't been hurt on the job before, you may not feel like you know your way around well enough to go up against an insurance adjuster who does this for a living. I sometimes compare this decision to wanting to build a new deck on the back of your house. Some people feel like they can do it on their own and save themselves the cost of paying somebody else to do it for them. Other people, like me, would say, I don't have the skills to do it. It will take me a whole lot longer time to build my own deck than if I hire it done. It's going to take up all my weekends for a month or more, and in the end, I might not be satisfied with the results if I try to build the deck on my own, and so I'd rather just hire somebody to do it for me. If you're not in the position where your claim has been denied, then you have to make the decision as to whether you think this is like the deck that you can build for yourself. If you feel like the insurance company and your employer have been treating you fairly, and there's no question that your injury happened at work, you might not need to hire a lawyer. If you have any questions at all, please call Friedman Law Offices at 800-876-1093. There's never a charge to find out if we can help you. Feel free to leave a comment on our blog and use the share button if you know someone who might benefit from this information. And thanks for logging in.